Life can feel like a whirlwind sometimes, pulling us in a million different directions at once. It's so very easy to lose touch with the present moment and get caught up in thoughts about the past or worries about the future. Taking just 5 minutes a day to pause, reset, and reconnect with the here and now has been shown to bring big benefits both mentally and physically. Hi, I'm Valerie, a lifestyle nurse, and I'm here to help you live a healthier, longer life by building small, sustainable habits that make a big difference. In this video, I'll be talking about mindfulness, a simple yet powerful practice, and how you can easily incorporate it into your life. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about bringing your awareness to what's happening right now in the present. So your thoughts, emotions, and immediate surroundings, rather than being distracted by regrets about the past, worries about the future, or things that are going on miles away. At its core, mindfulness is a way of becoming a gentle observer of your experiences. It doesn't mean suppressing your emotions or forcing your mind to go blank. Instead, it's about noticing your thoughts as they rise, acknowledging them, and then letting them pass without clinging to them or reacting automatically. This shift helps us move from reacting impulsively to responding intentionally, which can make a huge difference in how we handle stress and challenges. There are a few key principles that make mindfulness such a powerful practice. The first is focusing on the present moment. This means fully engaging with whatever you're doing right now, whether it's eating a meal, taking a walk, or simply sitting quietly and breathing. This means directing your attention to what you are experiencing in the present rather than letting your mind wander to other matters. By tuning into the present, we can experience life more fully and reduce the mental clutter that adds to stress. Another principle is becoming aware of automatic thoughts. Our minds have a way of wandering, often producing thoughts that trigger stress, negative emotions, and even physical discomfort like increased pain. Mindfulness teaches us to notice these thoughts and let them go instead of letting them control us. Over time, this practice helps us respond thoughtfully rather than react automatically. Non-judgment is another foundational aspect of mindfulness. So often, we label our experiences, our thoughts, and our emotions as good or bad, but this judgment only adds to our stress. Mindfulness encourages us to observe our experiences without attaching labels, accepting them as they are. That doesn't mean that you are giving up or resigning yourself to the situation. Rather, it's about acknowledging reality without unnecessary judgment. Finally, mindfulness emphasizes acceptance and compassion. It's about recognizing that it's okay to have a full range of emotions and experiences. Acceptance means acknowledging your thoughts and feelings without trying to change them, while compassion invites you to approach yourself and others with kindness and understanding rather than with criticism or judgment. Mindfulness has so many benefits for both your physical and mental health. It's perhaps best known for reducing stress by interrupting the chronic stress response and helping you stay grounded in the present. It also helps you improve the quality of your sleep by teaching you how to relax and quiet your mind at the end of the day. Taking the time to quiet your mind during the day can help you become more proficient at doing it at bedtime. On a physical level, mindfulness supports your immune system, lowers blood pressure, and reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke. Mindfulness can also help lower inflammation. In doing that, it will also reduce your risk of developing the chronic diseases associated with inflammation, while also reducing those everyday aches and pains. Mentally, it enhances emotional balance, increases focus, reduces symptoms of anxiety and depression, and improves your ability to handle stress and uncertainty. The best part is that you don't need hours to experience these benefits. Just 5 minutes a day can make a noticeable difference, especially when practiced consistently. Mindfulness can be woven into your day in simple ways. One way is through mindful breathing. You can sit comfortably, focus on your breath, and notice the sensation as you inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. When your mind inevitably wanders, gently bring it back to your breath and the present moment. Another mindfulness practice is the body scan. You might lie down or sit quietly and focus your attention on different parts of your body, starting at your toes and working upwards. Notice areas of tension and release them with each exhale. Even everyday activities like eating or walking can become mindful practices. With mindful eating, you pay attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food, savoring each bite without distraction. Mindful walking is similar. While walking, keep your attention in the here and now, focusing on each step, the feeling of the ground beneath your feet, and the rhythm of your movements while observing your surroundings. Really, mindfulness can fit into any part of your day. You might just take a few minutes while brushing your teeth or showering to focus on the sensations instead of letting your mind wander. Or use your morning coffee as an opportunity to practice mindfulness. Incorporating mindfulness into your routine is one of those small steps that can have a profound impact on your health and well-being. Just 5 minutes a day gives you the opportunity to reset, reduce stress, and build greater resilience. If you are in my Thrive in 25 program, I provided additional resources to guide you through mindfulness exercises that you can integrate into your day. And if you're not in the program but would like to learn more, you'll find a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please take good care of yourself.